internet world. Welcome to another edition of Golden Independence. Welcome to the channel. Um, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And we greatly appreciate when you give us a thumbs up because that's something voluntarily that you could do. That's free. That helps support the channel. So if you come by, give a thumbs up if you like the content, if you like the video and the information. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about Bitcoin, and this is not financial advice. I'm sharing and documenting my Bitcoin journey, and right now, Bitcoin is currently at the price of $95,866. Today is the 24th of December, 2024, and it is 9:55 a.m. right here in Bermuda, where the billionaires play. Yeah. So I'm looking at the Bitcoin live price. We're at 1.89 trillion market cap. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the hash rate, but the sats per dollar is 1,045, right? The sats per dollar, you get 1,045 sats, satoshis, for $1. So that means when you acquire satoshis, ladies and gentlemen, you will get an increase of 1,045% when one satoshi reaches $1, right? I'm going to say that again, but once Satoshi reaches $1, that will be a return of over 1,000%. That's 1,000% return. So this is just math. It's not financial advice. It's mathematics, and it's about it's time, right? And I mean, come on, look at this chart, ladies and gentlemen. Now these are minute candles. These are minute candles, right? So every minute we're going to get another candle, but look at the ascension, right? Look at the ascension that's going on in minutes. And didn't I tell you? Didn't I make it aware that once this new week started, that Bitcoin was going to be on its way up? Why? Because the companies like MicroStrategy and BlackRock are creating the floor of Bitcoin being in this territory, right? Once the market starts and it opens back up again. So you have, because you have the global uh, um, entities, the global corporations who are putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet on both sides of the waters, right? I.e., you have the micro strategists, and you have, um, I believe the company is called Marathon, the company in Japan that's doing something similar to MicroStrategy, right? It's another company in Japan that's doing the exact same thing as MicroStrategy, right? However, that company, we can invest in that company over here, and the people over there can invest in MicroStrategy, right? It's closed. So the opportunity is for everyone to acquire Bitcoin, to acquire Satoshis, because the elite and the people who have the money, they are buying, right? Nations are buying, are accumulating, are acquiring, are stacking. Yes? So we're going to show you one of the ways how we are acquiring Satoshis and pretty much for free at this point. Yeah, we're going to be acquiring Satoshis for free. How? Well, I'm going to bring up my page here. This is my back office, my wallet to my, this is my Bitcoin wallet that is in my BitHarvest account. And this is the amount of Satoshis that I have accumulated. Okay. This is the amount of Satoshis that I was able to accumulate. And as Bitcoin goes up, right, we're going to see the value of my Satoshis goes up, right? So right now we're at 470. Now, when I last looked at it, it was at 468. But at the current time of 10 o'clock a.m., December 24th, the price is $470. Now, I wonder if the price will change over time once it starts to go up a little bit more. Maybe, that'll be quite interesting. Value changes as soon, while I'm doing this stream here. So as you can see in my back office, I can withdraw. I have two options. I could withdraw my Bitcoin or I could swap my Bitcoin, which I feel is the most powerful feature, the swapping, because I can instantly, this is instant, swap it for Tether and send it to whatever wallet I want to send it to. And guess what? The process continues. So as I pan out here, right? As I pan out, I bring this up and we come to look at the latest transactions. You see that? You see that, ladies and gentlemen? That says what? That says December 24th. Okay. All right. December 24th. There we go. Mining reward. You see that? Satoshis. See how many Satoshis that is? That's thousands upon thousands, if not millions. Okay. And all it takes is for one Satoshi being parity to a penny. Or how about this? One Satoshi is not even a penny yet, ladies and gentlemen. When it reaches a penny, yes, that's when the fun is really going to start with BitHarvest. Okay, it's really going to start with BitHarvest, and it's also something I want to talk about is with the opportunity of BitHarvest. You see, on top of the mining reward, there's ranking income. Now, the ranking income, this is, this is really a mind blowing right here because the ranking income indicates that we are getting paid daily, right? We're getting paid daily with Bitcoin. And it comes approximately 20 minutes after, right? Just shy of 20 minutes. 20 minutes after, your ranking income comes in. And now my ranking income is to the point where it's almost matching my mining reward. I look at this as another $1,000 in the kitty. But not only that, not only is it another $1,000 in the kitty, that is the reward. I consider this the reward for sharing the opportunity. So the mining reward is for yourself, right? This could be like a form of accounting even, where I just take, when it starts to go to those numbers, I could spend my ranking income and keep my mining reward as savings. How about that? That's a wealth building strategy as well, right? You see that? So you have the mining reward. I could treat my mining reward as savings and I could spend my ranking income. because my ranking income is in Satoshi. So this is this opportunity is extremely powerful, mind-blowing, mind-blowing. And guess what? Look, let me show you how consistent this opportunity is, right? Because when we go all the way to the beginning, May 9th, look at that. See that? Mining reward. See? From the 9th of May, mining reward of this year. Look at the consistency. And we're just on year one, ladies and gentlemen. We're in the first year of BitHarvest. And you see it going up, right? You see it, and you see it going up. So when we 10x, ladies and gentlemen, we're still going to be getting these Satoshis. We're still going to be mining these Satoshis when we go up. When we reach a million, I mean, not a million, sorry. Yes, when we reach a million, wow. We're still going to be getting this amount of Satoshis. And that's when we'll see the 10x. And that's when the 1.7 becomes $17. Yeah. Like I said, building up, building up, building up. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Wow. Like, I'm speechless at this point. For real. I'm like, wow, this is crazy. Like, I can't believe it. Like, honestly. And now here we are. And now here we are. Look at that. Look at that. We're still here, ladies and gentlemen. We're still here. Still doing it in December 2024. But now we're getting ranking income now. Mm-hmm. And this is not even a full booster. But what I like is that you can work your way up to a full booster. You could work your way up to it. That's right. You work your way up to a full booster. But guess what? We're still getting these Satoshis. Yep. It's incredible. And I'm very fortunate to be in this position. Most definitely. Most fortunate to be in this position. And I wanted to share this opportunity with those who are interested in acquiring Bitcoin in their sleep. Because they're saying that you can, retire when, they're saying, if you get to here or here, the 0.1 or the 0.01, as you can see, I'm closer to I'm closer to 0.01. I'm close. I'm closer than most. Just to having 0.01 with my account. So I could keep stacking and stacking and stacking until we reach the point, the 0.01. And why is that? Why do you think you could retire? I mean, when you look at the BitHarvest account, it makes sense why one could retire from the 0.01 or the 0.1 or the 0.001 because of the rest of the numbers, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you could retire. This number right here, this number right here is the proof that an individual can retire from the 0.1, 0.0, 1 or the 0.001. And we're sitting on 0.004. That is the future. That's what's coming, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, somebody is working overtime. I know there's a lot of distractions out there. There's a lot going on. What are you buying? What are you doing with your money? Right now, a lot of people are doing a lot of last minute liability shopping. What are you doing with your finances, your resources? Something to think about. Bless up.